Google just dropped Gemini 3.0 Pro, and if you're still using it like a basic search engine, you're missing out on features that could literally save you hours every single day. Most people have no idea what this thing can actually do. They type a question, get an answer, and move on. But Gemini 3.0 Pro has tools buried inside that can analyze entire videos, generate studio quality images, build interactive apps, and even create full podcasts from your documents. And in this video, I'm going to show you every single one of them. Let's get into it. Alright, first things first. What even is Gemini 3.0 Pro? Gemini 3.0 Pro is Google's most advanced AI model right now. Think of it as the brain powering all of Google's AI tools. It's fully multimodal, meaning it doesn't just understand text. It can work with images, audio, video, PDFs, and even entire code bases all at the same time. It launched in November 2025, and it's a massive upgrade from the previous version. This model is designed for complex reasoning, long context understanding, and what Google calls agentic tasks. That means it can plan, execute, and complete multi-step workflows on its own without losing context along the way. If you care about benchmarks, here's why people are impressed. It scores 37.5% on Humanities last exam, 91.9% on GPQA Diamond, and 72.7% on ScreenSpot Pro. It outperforms GPT 5.1, Claude Sonnet 4.5, and even its own predecessor. So yes, this thing is powerful. Now let me show you how this actually works in real life. I'm inside Gemini right now, and I've enabled thinking mode. This gives me access to Gemini 3.0 Pro's high reasoning capabilities. I'll start with a simple test. You have $5,000 to invest. Option A gives 8% per year. Option B gives 12% but charges a $200 yearly fee. Which one makes more money after 5 years? Gemini doesn't guess. It calculates the returns, tracks the fees, pairs both options side by side, and then explains exactly which one wins and why. It even takes a few extra seconds to think before answering. The result is clean, logical, and easy to understand. This is the difference between basic AI and real reasoning. Now let's test multimodal capabilities. I upload a screenshot of a complex data dashboard and ask Gemini to analyze it. It doesn't just describe what's on the screen. It spots trends, identifies anomalies, explains what actually matters, and suggests next steps. This is basically like having a full data analyst instantly review your dashboard before you even zoom in. Next, video analysis. I upload a video and ask Gemini to break it into chapters, highlight key moments, identify emotions, and suggest improvements. It delivers a clean structure, pacing notes, and editing insights. At this point, it's not just helping with editing, it's structuring the entire video. Now for long context understanding. I upload a 30-page research PDF and ask Gemini to summarize it and answer specific questions. It reads the entire document, extracts key findings, explains the methodology, and flags limitations. This is the 2 million token context window in action. While other tools struggle with long documents, Gemini handles them effortlessly. Let's talk about Gemini inside Google Search. I enable AI mode with extended thinking and search for best budget laptops for students in 2025. Instead of blue links, I get curated recommendations, specs, pricing, key considerations like battery life and performance, and even shopping carts with retailers. Search has officially turned into decision making. Now let's push it further. I ask how quantum entanglement works. Gemini explains it clearly, breaks down the core ideas, uses an analogy, and clarifies common misconceptions. It turns a confusing physics topic into something that actually makes sense. Then I ask it to visualize compound interest growth over 20 years. Gemini generates a clear growth curve, explains why it accelerates, gives a year-by-year breakdown, and highlights the key takeaway. This is AI-powered learning done right. Speaking of learning, Gemini is incredibly powerful for education. Now, let's talk about voice mode. Voice mode lets you talk to Gemini naturally without typing. I ask it to plan a YouTube video about AI automation tools. It instantly gives me title ideas, a hook, and a full 15-minute structure. This is perfect for brainstorming on the go. Now let's talk about images. Gemini doesn't just generate images, it analyzes them with incredible precision. It can read text, extract data, understand layouts, and even interpret handwriting. I upload a photo of a business card and ask Gemini to extract all the details. It pulls out the name, job title, company, phone number, email, and website perfectly. For image generation, Gemini uses Nano Banana Pro. This model is especially good at creating images with clean, readable text. I generate a YouTube thumbnail with bold typography, and the text is crystal clear. No distorted letters, no weird artifacts. I can also edit images. I take a bright daytime photo and transform it into a moody cinematic night scene. The lighting, reflections, and color grading change instantly. What used to take hours now takes seconds. I can even upload multiple reference images and blend them into one cohesive scene with consistent lighting and style. Now let's move to video generation. Gemini uses VO 3.1 to create short, high-quality videos with native audio. I generate a conversation between two people in a coffee shop and the voices sound natural. The lip sync matches. You can even hear background noise. Everything is AI generated. You can also turn images into videos. I upload a static image and animate it into a smooth cinematic product shot. I even create transitions between two images and the motion looks natural and realistic. So now you know, Gemini 3.0 Pro isn't just a search engine. It's a researcher, analyst, designer, developer, editor, and teacher all in one. And if you want to learn how to use Gemini better than 99% of people, watch this video next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.